In today's video, I will provide a detailed plan to escape your job and achieve financial freedom by earning $3,000 to $10,000 per day. It may sound crazy, but it's true. Watch the video now to learn how. Go to YouTube and search for the LoFi channel. That's the path to your financial freedom. Trust me, you will find a channel with millions of views. Visit Social Blade to see the channel's estimated views and earnings ranging from $93,000 to $1.5 million per year. Now let me guide you through 3 simple steps to make this happen. Step 1. Use Midjourney to create lo-fi visuals. Step 2. Utilize an AI tool to generate lo-fi music. And finally, Step 3. Edit the video to add motion to the frames. Step 1. Creating the lo-fi girl image on Midjourney. The first thing you'll need to do to start your lo-fi channel is to have a background image, and a great way to generate an AI background image for your video is by accessing the Discord server. Follow my instructions to quickly and perfectly create a lo-fi girl image. Start by finding a lo-fi YouTube channel and choose a thumbnail image that you like the most. Click on the share button and copy the video link. Then, access this website and download the thumbnail images. Once you've completed that, create the Midjourney image using the Describe command. This tool will provide 4 options, so create multiple images to select the most suitable one for your video. I'll choose this image as an example. And there you have it. You've created your own custom image. Step 2. Create LoFi Beats music. The most important part is the lo-fi music itself, and that's where we can get those low-bit sound, even if we're not skilled musicians. This is where another tool comes into play, and I'm talking about creators. IVA AI. To create lo-fi music on Creators, IVA AI, you can follow the steps below. Firstly, access the Creators.IVA AI website and click on the Create button to start the process. Next, add a new layout and select the lo-fi style from the list of preset styles. You can also add other filters if desired. Then choose the compositions and download them. In the Time section, select the largest option available, depending on the service package you're using. You can choose one or multiple compositions from the displayed list, and then click the Create button to await the result. Once the lo-fi music is generated, you can preview it to check the sound. Finally, download the MP3 file and use it to combine with videos or other pieces as you wish. Easy and convenient, creators. AI will assist you in creating excellent lo-fi music, even if you're not a skilled musician. Step 3. Add motion and sound. I am using Premiere Pro and simply drag and drop files to edit. I start by dragging the images and then add background music by dragging it into the template. I ensure the appropriate duration by extending or trimming the video. If you want a simple video, we won't focus on technical details. However, if you want to make it more interesting, you can add motion effects like I did. You can go to YouTube and search for the keyword green screen rain effects and download any video you like because it does not violate copyright. The remaining editing steps, please watch the instructions and follow along.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.